2026 is going to be the new 2016.
But how?
We are seeing this all over the internet. But most of us were hardly 6 to 12 years in age. जब 2016 actually
And
चालू
mind
था.
you, some of y'all weren't even born, by the way.
That's crazy. We don't even know how it actually felt like. So how are we actually going to make this year 2016 when we are our 2025 selves, abhi bhi brain rotted, sad, anxious, which is fair because humans being humans, but we can get better. We can do better.
But don't worry, we are going to deliver you some tips and tricks to get that joy back in your life.
Get to relive 2016 back.
And इसलिए मैंने कुछ चीजें लिखी हैं.
कुछ नहीं लिखा है इसने यहाँ पे.
So we are pretty much gonna lord off this shit.
अब देखो गाने तो 2016 वाले ट्रेंड करने ही वाला है. We all know the basics.
Prime Justin Bieber, Ariana Grande, Selena Gomez, One Direction, Little Mix, and even our Bollywood hits.
So these are the basics. We all are gonna do that to fit in. But what about the actual mindset change? Reliving 2016 is not just for the trend. This is coming because we want to be happy again. We want to live life again, which we are not able to. That's why we need to leave back some things in 2025. 6, 7 is not coming with us.
मैं भी इस trend की शिकार बन चुकी, but believe me, I hate this trend. Can we just leave that shit behind?
Can we get a bit more creative?
Can we leave brain rot? I'm done. My brain is rotted, and इसके symptoms आपको दिख रहे हैं. मेरा पूरा channel देख रहा है.
Our brains are shrinking. On a genuine note, can we bring back creativity?
Can we go and touch grass?
Can we minimize the usage of AI?
Except assignments. AI,
bring back
bad AI. Especially for AI images. I'm so scared of AI videos. Watch real videos, guys. Let's support genuine talent. Let's support small creators जैसे हम 2016 में करते थे.
Let's support small artists, small creators. Subscribe, show support.
Let's bring Vine videos back. Oh my god, how I miss that era. How I miss Vine videos.
Let's bring back Vine videos. Challenges लाना है तो bring challenges back, like the mannequin challenge, the bottle flip challenge. That was peak. Let's bring back making random plans, random side quests with our friends.
And not the महंगे plans for the aesthetic and for your Instagram.
The aesthetic,
to actually have fun.
This year, the aesthetic is the vibe. The vibes is not going to be the aesthetic. हम लोग सस्ती मस्ती करने जा रहे हैं. We are going to get back with the cheap thrills.
I don't need no money.
है भी नहीं. तो फिर हम सब act क्यों करते कि हमारे पास पैसा है?
We don't. मम्मा पापा के पैसे लेके can we stop?
मम्मी पापा का बैंक अकाउंट खाली कर दिया तो सब नहीं.
Guilty. Let's bring back morning routine videos. Oh my god. I miss that. मैं अभी भी YouTube पे जाके I searched 2016 morning videos because I miss that so much.
I genuinely believe we should actually start consuming long format content more than short format.
This year increase your attention span.
Please. देखती हूँ मैं long format videos.
This time there's a theme we've got to fit with, which kind of makes it a bit more difficult but exciting.
And to make morning and night routines, let's make our routine.
Mm-hmm. Let's drop doom scrolling the whole night and then waking up like ghosts. This message is for me. We are not embracing being depressed this year.
Oh my god. Sorry. When we embrace being a victim, we become a hater.
Because that's the way we cope with the world.
And I know hating is fun sometimes.
Stop hate commenting on people's videos. Like, stop bringing someone's moral down for fun. And this message is for my brothers. अगर मुझे इस वीडियो के नीचे एक भी hate comment
Also, can I just put it out there? Can we stop this Indian hate? Can we stop Indian hate? It's so 1990s, bro. It was crazy being an Indian on social media in 2025, and वो 2025 में ही बढ़ा है बहुत ज़्यादा. And where I understand civic sense and so many things which our country can, do better with. I acknowledge it.
Yeah, and can we focus on doing better instead of just bringing that point again and again and doing nothing about it?
Especially Indians
focus on action this year. Stop cribbing.
Especially Indians who constantly shame their own country.
God, where is your spine? I can't say your spine.
Like तुम point out करो जो भी गलत है उसको. I suppose that I do that, but then be the example to work on it and encourage people to work on it, and not just hating on your own country. Stop the hate, and not only on Indians, but stop hating everyone.
Yeah.
Like hating is not cool. It doesn't make you nonchalant, and it's not fun. एंड ये सब बहुत ऊपर की बातें हैं कि ये स्टॉप कर दो स्टॉप होता नहीं है, बट वी कैन ट्राई. द लीस्ट वी कैन डू इज ट्राई. The main goal of turning 2026 into 2016 is to be happy. इसलिए of course we're going to cherish the nostalgia, but through this we are creating new trends, new memories, a new world.
Yeah.
अरे हम दोनों को ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बना दो इस दुनिया का. अच्छी बात है.
Just feel this world.
अच्छा, I manifest कि ये वीडियो उन लोगों तक पहुंचे जो हमारे साथ इस ईयर को 2016 जितना डोप बनाने वाला है.
We all are gonna have fun, so stay and stick around.
Stick around this YouTube channel because we all are gonna have fun. I promise.